Hello, I'm going to show you how you can create 100 or 1000 of posts using ChatGPT and Canva, and finally bulk upload and schedule them using Nuelink. So let me create a few posts using ChatGPT. So maybe you can write something like create 100 business course for startup owners, or maybe you can create some kind of tips for business owners or anything, and then start. So it will create one by one, as you can see. So okay, so after that you can select them and paste it here in Google Sheet. Now what you can do is that you can download it in CSV. Maybe you can add more posts or quotes here. So after that you have to go in Canva or search. You can search for your story or Instagram story. So let's search for your story. Here you can select any post, but we will select any particular template. You can search here for quotes. I will pick this one. Well, now you can edit this part, or here you can also add your website name. So for example, I'm using my website name, SaaS ltd.com, or you can design it according to your need, and then just click on apps and then click here bulk create, and then upload the CSV that you have just downloaded. So that is this one. I'm going to upload it. Well, so it's uploaded already. So let's select this text and click this three dot and connect data and click here, the first one from your CSV. So here you can see the code is already added here, and click on continue. So can you see all those codes are here. Now if you click this generate, there will be 33, as I already added 33. So boom, can you see every time there is a different code. So I did not design it, so let's just download this, and here you can download them. After that, how you will actually schedule all those posts. So there is several way you can schedule and post all those posts from Nuelink. First of all, what you can do is just create a collection here, and then select the dates you want and the time you want to post, and then lots of other functions from here. After creating your collection, you can import all your posts. You can use the bulk import. So if you just click on here, you can use these options. Here you have to use CSV file, and here is the example. The caption is here, your post, and media is your image URL. So if you will download 100 images, you have to upload them on Dropbox or other platform to get the URL. After that, you have to collect the URL from Dropbox. I use Public Connect to automate this image collection. Like if I will upload 1,000 of images, it is very time consuming to copy and paste URL. So Public Connect can automatically collect all this URL for me. You can do it manually as well. Once you will collect the images URL, and then just go to on a sheet. Here you can see the codes and image URL like this one. This is an image from image URL. And then you can add any other content or anything with your post. For example, I use this one. Like how you can do it, let me show you. So for example, this is the line I would like to add with all my posts. So here you just use this formula, and if you want to connect these two, and then enter, copy it, and value only. So here you can see the two lines are together. Anyway, let's delete it. Here is my post, so I can use this one, and before uploading must write here caption and media, and download it in CSV and upload it here in Nuelink. And Nuelink will schedule all your posts according to your need, and boom. Let me know if you have any question.